Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by updating the Instagram app and confirming you're logged in. This avoids missing theme options. Next, decide if you want an app-wide dark/light theme or a custom profile look. That choice guides the steps. Open your profile, tap the menu icon, then Settings to find Theme or Display. If you don't see it, check App Permissions and Storage. Once done, you'll be ready to switch modes and apply visual presets to your feed and stories without losing clarity or contrast. You'll now change the theme itself. Within Settings, go to Theme or Display and pick Dark, Light, or System Default. Dark saves battery and reduces glare, while Light improves visibility for some images. Then, head to Creator or Profile Display options to adjust accents, fonts, and story templates. These control visual hierarchy and brand consistency. Make sure to preview the profile and several feed posts. Once you see how colors and fonts interact, save as a preset or use drafts to compare alternatives before finalizing. Finish by saving your chosen preset, and if available, schedule theme switching by time or battery state. This ensures consistency across sessions. If theme changes don't appear, clear the app cache and restart your device. Make sure system display settings aren't overriding Instagram's theme. If problems persist, reinstall the app or contact support, include screenshots and device model. One key tip: check for conflicting accessibility settings, like high contrast or color inversion, since those can block theme updates and alter intended colors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.